In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view job details on Amazon Jobs, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to search for roles and open the full description to review everything you need before applying. First, open your web browser and head to the Amazon careers site at amazon.jobs. This is the official hub for all current openings across teams and locations. Give the page a moment to load. You should land on the home page. On the home page, look for the prominent search bar. This is where you'll start your search. You can browse the page if you're curious, but the fastest way to get to relevant roles is to use that search field. Click into the search bar to begin. Here you can search by job title, team, or area of work. Think about the function you're targeting and type a clear keyword that reflects it. Specific keywords usually give better matches than broad terms. If you're unsure, try a couple of variations to see which results look most relevant. As you type, you may see suggestions appear. Choose the option that most closely matches the exact position you want. Selecting a precise title or function helps filter out unrelated listings and brings you to roles aligned with your goals. Next, add your preferred location. You can type a city, state, region, or country. If you're open to multiple areas, pick one to start and refine later. If the site supports it, you can also search for remote roles by entering remote or a similar term. Now click the search button to load your results. The site will display a list of open roles that match your keyword and location. Each listing typically shows the job title, team or category, location, and a short summary. Take a moment to scan the results to confirm they match what you had in mind. If you see on-page filters, you can use them to narrow things like category or schedule, but that's optional. When a role catches your eye, look for the small Read More link on the listing. Click it to expand the preview and see additional highlights. This is useful for quickly checking whether the role aligns with your experience without leaving the results page. To view the full job details, open the job listing from there. You'll be taken to the complete description where you can review responsibilities, basic qualifications, preferred qualifications, location specifics, and other important information. Read through carefully to make sure the scope, schedule, and location are a good fit. That's it. You've learned how to search and open job details on Amazon Jobs. If you found this helpful, keep exploring roles and compare a few descriptions so you can move forward with confidence.